Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Today I will be making some real delicious taco filling. Let's get right into the video. At this point, I will be peeling, cleaning, and chopping the ingredients. If you have chopped ingredients already, you can definitely skip this step. Now that these are chopped and ready, I am going to get started on the taco meat. So I am adding a little oil to the pot. This is vegetable oil. Of course, you can use any oil of your choice. After adding the oil to the pot, I am going in with my onion. I made sure to put this on very low heat because I don't want the onion to burn. I am also stirring this until I get that nice soft texture. Now that I have that nice texture, I am going in with my ground beef, and I'm just going to go ahead and break this apart. This went on for 15 to 20 minutes on both high and low flames. This is where you start to add your touches to this. Don't limit yourself to these seasonings only. Use your favorite seasonings and add your magic touch to this. To this recipe, I did not add too much seasonings. I added a little complete seasoning, some garlic mix, cayenne pepper, and my chopped ingredients. At this point, I am going in with a little water. At this point, I will be going in with some half-cooked Irish potato. This is optional, but trust me, this will add a little flavor and a little body to this recipe. I also went in with a little ketchup. This will bring out the color and add a little flavor. After adding in those two ingredients, I went in with a little more water and I will be leaving this to simmer until it is done. This is where you check if you want any more seasonings. I just added a little salt to bring out the flavor. So guys, this is the finished product. I'm telling you, this is the bomb.com. You should definitely try this recipe. Also, please let me know in the comment section how you prepare this dish. Now that this is all done, I am going to set this aside and start working on the next ingredients. This is what I will be using: some hard taco shell. The microwave or the oven direction will be on the back of this box, so you can go ahead and check it out. I chose to pop these in the oven. If you are popping these in the oven, be sure not to overcook them because they will close. This is the end of this video. I hope you will try this recipe out. Trust me, your family, your friends will love this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!